Is your VW Golf's alarm going off randomly at night? The most common culprits are a weak 12-volt battery or a faulty tilt sensor. Once you've identified the cause, here are some solutions. If the battery is weak, replace it or use a battery maintainer to keep it fully charged. For a faulty tilt sensor, try resetting it using a VW-specific diagnostic tool like VCDS or have your dealer recalibrate it. Consider the environment. Avoid parking on uneven surfaces or in areas prone to strong winds. If you're using pet mode, ensure windows are closed, as wind can still trigger the alarm. For a long-term fix, especially with older models, consider upgrading to a lithium battery and look into over-the-air updates to the car's software from VW to ensure up-to-date sensor and calibration software.